everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Here I'm using some cotton to make some washcloths, and I'm making them for gifts for Christmas or for Sinterklaas. It's going very well. It's a quick project which I like. You can see me struggling to keep myself in frame. I'm making two for each binder I made. I will show you later. The pattern I will link in the description box, so you can make it too. It's a free pattern. And this is what it turns out to be. It's a nice feeling, that soft cotton, and I'm sure the receiver will like it. As I was working this evening, I saw this lovely rays of light reflecting on my knits. I had to capture it. So lovely. I'm working on another gift. It's not a washcloth or a hand towel, it's a sweater for my mother. I've talked about this before, I think. I'm working on the body right now, and I need to make it a slightly longer one because my mother likes slightly longer sweaters. My own one, which was the grey one in the first step, will be a bit shorter than that. So this is my sweater. I'm also on the body, and the arms need to be finished, and I've added for myself some hot pink border. I'm very much a fan of Frida Kahlo. I've got many things of her, and this too. And my dear friend got me a very nice t-shirt for my birthday with Frida on it. I already wore it, and it's very nice quality too. I needed to make some labels, and I did, with my surname in a bit of a cryptic way, and they arrived today. It's very nice faux leather, and it's etched into it. It's very nice. So this will be on the sweaters and on other things I make. It's a very thick one too. So bye bye, see you next time.